stir fry here on a Sunday. What I got is I put in, I cut all the vegetables up already. I got some steak and some ham. Gonna go in there. And I got some garlic, crushed peppers. This is kind of like a keto meal. I already gave you some ham, Molly. You finished it all. Anyway, what I got in there is broccoli, cauliflower, celery, radishes, summer squash and zucchini, and some cucumber and red pepper, and some white mushrooms. That's all that's in there for vegetables. And I got this 13-inch pan with a clear top so we can see what's going on in there. Just gonna do a quick little stir fry. We'll throw some butter in there and let it rip, potato chip. That's how I've been eating lately. All low carb vegetables, a little protein and some fat. Oh yeah, you love my cooking, Miss Molly. Low carb keto. This is the kind of butter I've been using. Got a little left here, and I'm gonna have to throw some more in there, but it's gonna be some fat from the meat too, so put a little bit more in there. I don't want to blast you out with the fan. I put it on low. I don't know if that's gonna be too much for you guys. Put a little bit more butter in there. Some butter. Throw the meat in there. What I like about this top is it seals it right in there. We'll season it in a bit. I usually cook in a cast iron, but this stuff here is probably a little cleaner than stainless. Pre-cook the meat a little bit. Throw the vegetables in there. Oregano. I like these salt. I got these new ones. Salt. If you're on keto, you gotta use a lot of salt. I've been doing keto for about 3 weeks now. Pepper. I've been eating all low carb. Put that in there and let that cook for a while. I usually sip a little bit of water out of the Poland Springs, and I'll show you the drink I make. A little funnel on there. Take half a lemon. freshly squeezed lemon. If you're on keto, this is good to do so you don't get any kind of stones or anything like that. Try to keep the uric acid down. And what I do is I just scoop out the seeds, like so. And that's all juice. Take some electrolytes. Scoop of electrolytes. Wheatgrass. And a scoop of wheatgrass. And then the lemon. I'll put the cap on it, shake it up. Makes a nice little drink for me. It's tasty. It's all good for you. You need the electrolytes, the wheatgrass, and the lemon. I've been steaming my vegetables, but I found that sauteing them like this is better. It's been on there a little while. I think it's done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like this cover because it keeps it right in there, helps it steam. You don't want to overcook things. It's good right there. I didn't leave it in there long. 5 minutes. Some more pepper in there. Some salt. I got some of those nutritional yeast, which is good for, it's got a lot of B vitamins in it. Supposed to be good for you. So I put some of that on there. Kind of tastes like cheese. Nutritional yeast, they call it. Non-fortified. A lot of B vitamins. There we go. Nice little keto meal. And I got my drink. Nothing wrong with that, guys. Low carb. I've been in ketosis for 3 weeks. Which, you know, I could put more butter in there, but I put enough butter in it. It's got enough butter, it's all mixed in there. It's good to go. Keto friendly. Low carb. You know I'm gonna give you some, Miss Molly. Yeah, you know I always give you some, Miss Molly. I always give you some.